due to this coronavirus outbreak, we are home quarantined and we are very much bored. So I decided to make custard for my family, and here I'm sharing the recipe with you people. Hope you like it. So here I'm showing the ingredients for my custard. So I'm using 550 ml of milk, and here I have taken 50 ml of milk separately. I have taken 200 grams of sugar. Here I have taken 3 bananas and grapes and have chopped them. Here I have taken chopped almonds, dry fruits, Hershey's 2 syrups, and a bowl for putting my custard. So let's get started. I'm pouring my milk, 550 ml of milk, and I'll allow it to come to a boil. Next I will prepare my custard powder mix. I'll mix my custard powder in this 50 ml of milk which I have taken separately. So here I am using a ready to mix custard powder by Brown and Paulson, and I'll put the custard in the milk and I'll mix it well so that there are no lumps in this mixture. My milk has come to a boil, and I will now add my custard mixture and continuously stir my milk so that there are no lumps in my custard, and I'll keep on stirring it. I'll have to stir it till the consistency is right, and keep in mind that you don't stop stirring it, otherwise lumps will be formed in your custard. Now I will add my sugar, which I have already added my sugar. So I had forgotten to tell you people that I had already put my sugar in the milk. When the milk was boiling, I had already put my sugar, and as you can see, my custard is becoming thick, and I have to boil it for a few more minutes and then it will be of right consistency. So as you can see, my custard is almost done. It's done, and this is the right consistency. So you have to allow your custard to cool down, and then you have to add your fruits, dry fruits, almonds, and etc. Dry fruits. Wow, it's looking lovely now. And then some almond flakes. And now I'll add the Hershey syrup. First I'm adding the strawberry syrup, and then I'll add the caramel syrup. Lovely. So here the custard is ready. I prefer to cool it down and then eat it, but you can serve it like this only. Thank you.